You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Take this pill, it's small and round. I want to show you my new Rectal Tool Kit.
No, bitch, shut the fuck up!
With my Rectal Tool Kit, I'll give your ass a fucking fit. I've got escape tools so I don't bust in your stool. Here's a present for you, it's called a crotch pheasant. It'll hit you like a boomerang in your poontang.
Get the fuck out, bitch! Fuck you, bitch!
Don't give me any grumbles as I clean out your tunnel. I'ma sabotage your life and attack you with lice. The shit is special issue, so bring tissues or your panties are gonna miss you. Word.
Damn, that shit was dope!
Hey brother. Hey boss, who wants to read me in the ass? Anyone? Any takers? Paul, is that you? Whiskey change.
And that kind of shit you can't sweep up under no rug, you know.